This is a citation lesson on Pincites, a citation reference component. In this presentation, we're going to talk about what are Pincites, why do we use Pincites, and how to Pincite. This lesson will focus on applying Pincites in the context of case citations. A Pincite is the page number you refer to when you are citing a case in your legal document. This is the actual specific page number you are citing to from the case. A Pincite can also be a range of specific pages within a case. A Pincite specifically directs the reader to the section of the case that you are referring to. Think of a Pincite as a bookmark. You can't have your reader guess where in the cited case you are referring to. The Pincite effectively directs the reader in the specific section of the cited case. It is frowned upon when you leave your reader guessing for the exact pages that you are citing to. Judges, professors, and opposing counsel, to name a few, don't like guessing where your quote was cited. Plus, if you don't properly cite Pincites, your work will look sloppy and careless. Please keep that in mind. So now you get to learn how to use and apply Pincites. You will include a Pincite for case citations, both full and short cites. Okay, an example of a Pincite for a full case citation is provided. Refer to Rule 10 of the Blue Book on page 94. Notice that the full case citation starts with the case name, Porter Indus Inc. v. Higgins, followed next by the court reporter, 680 P2D, then followed by the first page number of the case, 1339, and then the Pincite exact page number, 1342, followed by the deciding court and the year in parenthesis. That means that if I have the Porter case printed out in front of me, I turn specifically to page 1342, and I'll be able to quickly reference the case language that you use from that case. Next, you'll see an example for a short case citation. The same concept follows, except the Pincite will follow the short case forms pattern as shown on the slide. In case you forgot how to short cite, see Rule 10.9 in the Blue Book, starting on page 115. So you see id at 1342 and Porter 680 P2D at 1342. How to Pincite a range of pages. The example provided here is a full case citation, and the only difference is the range. To denote a range of pages, use a hyphen in between the first page of your Pincite and the last page of your Pincite, without any spaces added. You'll see below there's an example with United States v. McDonald. And that's pages 199 through 200. Now, applying Pincites for unreported cases follows the same concept as a reported case, except that you will add an asterisk before the exact number, as shown on the example in the slide. The same goes for referencing Pincites for the short form case citation, as seen on this slide as well. For Pincites in unreported cases, refer to page 111, Rule 10.8. The example for a full citation, you'll see the United Parcel Service, Inc. case. And then the example for the short citation, you'll see the 2009 case and the id. Pincites are also used for other cited materials that you will cite in your legal document. Refer to Rule 3.2 of the Blue Book on page 72 through 74 for additional directions. When citing material that spans more than one page, give an inclusive page numbers separated by an en dash or a hyphen. Always retain the last two digits, but drop other repetitious digits. For example, when we're citing the Edward L. Rubin note, we cite page 1065 through 69. We drop the 10. This is a citation to a law journal. Okay, now that you know the basic fundamentals of a Pincite, it's time for you to practice by taking your quiz in Canvas for this lesson. If you have any questions that come up before or after you take the quiz, don't hesitate to reach out to your TAs. We're happy to help you, and don't be shy. Good luck and enjoy the process of learning.